Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing some killer tips to help you master any language. Whether you're learning Spanish, French, or even Japanese, these tips will boost your progress like never before. First up, immerse yourself. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Listen to music, watch movies, and read books. The key here is to make the language a part of your daily life. Next, practice speaking. I know it can be intimidating, but trust me, it's crucial. Find a language partner or join online communities where you can chat with native speakers. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Tip number 3, use technology to your advantage. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise make learning fun and interactive. They're perfect for practicing vocabulary and grammar on the go. Another great tip is to keep a language journal. Write down new words, phrases, and expressions you learn each day. It's a fantastic way to reinforce your memory and track your progress. Lastly, stay consistent and be patient. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Set realistic goals and celebrate your achievements along the way. Remember, every bit of progress is a step forward. All right, that's it for today. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, happy learning.